Are you smart? Let's set smart goals then. Hello beautiful people, are you ready to set smart goals? Let's get started! Hello beautiful people again, it's Tatiana Ivleva from Pipo Living. I welcome you to this new video where we'll set smart goals. What's the usual problem we have with our goals? I think probably the main problem is that we don't achieve them. And what's the easiest way to fix it? I think the easiest way is just to take a closer look to your goal and reset it. Maybe rearrange a little. And the SMART criteria will help us. So let's start with the first letter. It's S, specific. Let's say you have a goal to become rich. That's great. Go ahead. Go ahead. Are you rich already? Why are you doing nothing? So maybe it's because you don't really set what rich means to you. Is rich means that you have a mansion near the sea, or maybe you have a helicopter or 10 helicopters, or maybe you have a multi-million international company, or maybe it is something else to you. So please be specific. What is it that you want? And we come to the next point. The next is letter M, measurable. So how will you measure success? How will you measure your goal? Let's say you want to become rich, it means you want to earn a lot of money. Then you're specific, you know what amount of money you want to earn. Let's say 120,000 euros. Oh, dollars. Then you should set a time frame, for example, a year that you want to earn this money. Then, with all that information we've got already, we can just simply calculate that you need to earn 10,000 euros per month. Now we have something to work with. Now we can measure every single month, are you on track or not? Remember that video that I've talked about setting your goals? In that video, I have mentioned that you should set a date with yourself, a check-in date. So you need to set maybe once a week, once a month, once a quarter, whatever you want, a date with yourself where you go through your goals and make sure that you follow through. If you don't remember or want some more information, go ahead to that video. I would be glad. Okay, here we came to the letter A. What's here? That's achievable. Achievable. That's a sad part. Because not all of our goals we achieve. And then we got discouraged. And then we don't want any more goals. Because it makes us sad, depressed, and not believe in ourselves. That's truly sad. So, what we can do? We can set goals that won't be that challenging and demanding. Maybe now you're earning just 2,000 euros per month, and 10,000 euros the next month will be a bit too challenging. So maybe lower your criteria a bit and set 5,000 or even 3,000 euros per month. That would be more achievable. Yeah. So we can put it here. But there is a point. I'm totally not against setting big goals. And some people on the internet agree with that. So they put another A word here. That's ambitious. Ambitious. Yes, you can totally set ambitious goals. And you should do that. Because, as I've mentioned in that goal setting video again, dreaming big makes you wanna fly and reach. That's something that will make you go through everything, all the challenges, and you will just go through it and achieve your goal. Because you have that big goal that you want to achieve. The trick here is just don't put this out of the moon goal just yet. I mean, not short term. Put it as your long-term goal. And this brings us to the next letter, R. R is relevant. Relevant for me is basically that you align all your short-term goals with your long-term vision. For example, you have this short-term goal of earning 3,000-5,000 per month, and you have your long-term vision of being a multi-millionaire. So they're kind of aligned because you increase your income already with your short-term goal, and you will be a rich person with really high income long-term. So they're totally aligned, and that long-term one will burn you a little bit so that you move faster. We came to the letter T. It's time-bound. I know we've talked about it already, but letter T only came now. But it's never too late to repeat. Put specific time frame on all of your goals. That deadline will make you wanna achieve it. Do you remember those essays and all the other homework at school? We had the deadline. Probably why we executed the homework on the first place. So use it. You know what? I've heard there is even a smarter way to set your goals. Do you want to hear it? Let's go. So E stands for evaluated regularly. I know, we've talked about it already. But here I want to mention one more thing. You can not only set check-in dates with yourself, you can also have accountability partner. Having someone like that will really make you progress. Definitely. But to make it more interesting, there is another variation of the E letter. That's emotional. Making your goal emotional makes it so much more desirable to achieve. You can relate to it so much more. It's like you truly own. I've heard numerous stories of people who succeed because of some emotional state they were in or some emotional event that they experienced that fueled all their way to success. it can be both positive and negative emotions. Negative are not so maybe nice, but if we have it, why not use it? Use it in a good way. The next letter is R again, but here it's a different R. That's rewarded. A sweet word, yeah. Don't forget to reward yourself when you achieve your goals. So you've earned those money. Go to Bali trip that you've dreamt about. You've lost 50 kilos, so celebrate and maybe go to a trip again. Maybe I just need a vacation. The point here is, don't just celebrate if you fully achieved your goal. Encourage yourself, even if you're halfway or some way on achieving this goal. Just acknowledge that you're good, you're doing good, that you're progressing well, that you're a great guy, you're better than most of the people out there that don't even set their goals, and you've achieved it. Maybe halfway, but still, if you want to lose 15 kilos but you lost 7, it's not a reason to beat yourself, it's a reason to celebrate yourself. Maybe not with a Bali trip, but maybe with some neighborhood trip or some other nice experience. If you haven't become a millionaire this year, but you've still earned a significant amount of money, more than ever before, that's a total reason to celebrate it. So go ahead and do it. So once again, if you want to know more about goal setting, go check my other video. I also have there my goal setting printable. It's pretty thick. Yeah, but you can set goals for the whole year, for all the quarters and months. So what are you waiting for? Go set your smart or even smarter goals. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, and see you next time. I love you, miss you. Mwah!